So we are back at the 2-bed in Wednesbury. So this is the one that was previously tenanted. Tenants moved out. We've taken on management of the property, and then when I came to see it, it was a bit old and there was sort of a few damp mold issues. So what I thought I'd do is do a light refurb for the landlord. But then, obviously, as you start doing some work, I mean, it should have been straightforward. As you start doing some work, we start to uncover issues, poor workmanship from previous contractors, underlying issues, stuff like that. So what is, I'll walk around and, well, give an update on what's going on with this property. Let me turn the camera around. Okay, let's go back to the front. So front reception room, new coat of paint has gone on throughout. Camus upstairs actually is painted over the wallpaper, which actually looks pretty good. And as you can see in here, it's a whole new, looks like a completely new modern property. It's just amazing what a liquid paint can do. Those touches are really nice. Okay, so firstly, Carl has lifted all the carpets throughout and removed some of the broken furniture just to clear the way for Cam to do his work. In my initial visit, I did notice that the floor was wobbly. So it turns out when I lift the carpet, it turns out some of the joist was rotten. So what I have to do is get somebody to come and get a quote to replace the rotten joist. But you can see some of it here, and that's where the slugs were coming in. Once those are replaced, we'll reboard it, and then I think really we should level it and put laminate flooring down here and in here as well, just for ongoing maintenance. You know, downstairs, ideally you don't want carpets around here because that's where people come in with dirty feet and all that sort of stuff. But it is a bit more expensive. It is better long term though. So really nice windows. Okay, so that's done. Wallpaper's nice. So I was trying to get an electrical, well, Imran, I was getting Imran to come to change some of the sockets, but we thought actually, although there's an electrical installation report here, I thought I might as well do another one just in case. And it seems like actually it's a good thing that we are doing one, because that socket is loose and I think it gave Cam an electric shock. Unfortunately, however, when we came to do it, Imran looked underneath here. So you can see it. But down there are loads of loose wiring throughout, which is not safe. So he needs to come. So we need to get somebody to come and take all these cabinets out, so you can check everything and make sure it's all safe. The problem with that obviously is it's going to be a bit of work because this is a good kitchen. Moving it out could almost certainly jeopardize its integrity. So yeah, we have to do it very carefully, especially the worktop as well, the work counter as well. Along here, we'll have to reseal either way. I think we need to replace this. Ovens look fine. The issues, there's already gaps here. So that's going to make it worse, but we would have to just do it properly. That's been repainted, that's new paint. Yeah, so in here, all that has to be moved out to check the wiring. Both of these sides have to be moved out so then I can get to the wiring. It's a fiddly job and requires a bit of skill and a few people to do it, which means Cam can't do it. Okay, let's walk upstairs. It's quite wobbly along there. I'm not even sure you can see it. Oh. This is the front bedroom. Furniture, still good quality furniture. Which is moved to the centre so that the walls can be redecorated. They look very good. Cameras repainted the doors as well, so they look a lot better now. That will be replaced. That's good. It's been repainted, which looks good. That's going to stick out because it's a different colour. Repainted. It's the bathroom. So we stripped off the silicone that we resealed, run the water for about 10 minutes, check to make sure that there's no leaks underneath, and then continue with making this place look a lot better. That looks a lot better now. That just needs to be repaired and repainted. That's it really. Stairs now, so this will be recarpeted. So once everything's done, we'll recarpet the bedrooms, landing and stairs as well, and hopefully we'll be able to laminate this just to make it more durable. But yeah, we need to fix the joist at first. Otherwise, yeah, it's a very large 2-bed. It should make a lovely house. Really nice regional features as well. Yeah, okay. If you don't know Bed Ready, my name's Tuna Gwyn from Centre Lighting. So you've got better rent, better tenant and better management for your property. If you've got any properties in the West Midlands and want a free portfolio review, no applications whatsoever, do feel free to drop me a message. I'm happy to look at it and try and get you better rent or save you money overall. All right, see you.